Have you ever felt invisible? Like you're speaking, but no one is really listening. You send a message, no reply. You share an idea, no reaction. You show up, and somehow you're still overlooked. It hurts. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Being ignored is rarely random. There's a psychology behind it, and once you understand it, you can change it. Let's start with something simple. Attention is limited. Every day, people are bombarded with thousands of thoughts, notifications, worries, and distractions. Your voice isn't competing with silence. It's competing with everything. So the real question is not, why am I being ignored? It's, why should someone pay attention to me right now? Psychologists call this the attention economy. And in this economy, clarity beats noise. If your message is unclear, too long, or emotionally flat, people don't reject you. They simply move on, not because you don't matter, but because your signal didn't stand out. But sometimes it goes deeper than communication. Sometimes we're ignored because of how we see ourselves. If you constantly doubt your worth, your voice becomes softer, your words become hesitant, your presence shrinks, and people don't respond to what you say, they respond to the energy behind it. There's also something called familiarity bias. People pay more attention to what feels familiar. So if you're new in a group or different in your thinking, you might be overlooked at first, not because you lack value, but because the brain prefers comfort over curiosity. And then there's timing. Even the most powerful message can fall flat if it arrives at the wrong moment. Think about it. Have you ever ignored someone not because they weren't important, but because you were distracted, tired, or overwhelmed? Exactly. Attention is not just about what you say, it's about when and how you say it. So what can you actually do about it? First, simplify. People don't remember complexity, they remember clarity. Say less, but make it meaningful. Second, connect emotionally. Facts inform, emotion moves. If your words don't make people feel something, they won't stay. Third, own your presence. Speak like your voice deserves to be heard, because it does. Confidence isn't loud, it's certain. And finally, choose the right audience. Not everyone is meant to understand you. Not everyone will value you, and that's okay, because being ignored in the wrong room is often a sign you're meant for a different one. So the next time you feel invisible, don't rush to blame yourself. Pause, reflect, adjust, because attention is not something you beg for, it's something you build. And the moment you learn how it works, you stop chasing it and start attracting it. You were never meant to be ignored. You just haven't been seen the right way yet.